And we're not stopping there either. One of the most universally flattering colors for almost everyone is this soft blush kind of color. It falls somewhere between pink and peach. And at least for all Caucasian women, it tends to relate to our skin tone. So it's a beautiful way of softening colors that might be a little dark or a little bright for your personal color scheme, or just to make your whole look read a little bit softer. And once again, we want some sort of linking accessory. I have a little scarf here that happens to be just the right group of colors. And this time I'm going to fold it in half, bring those two ends together, and then twist, 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 which compacts the volume of the scarf. This is a great way to get a little spunkier, sassier look as opposed to a dressier look. And it also compacts the bulk of the scarf around your neck. So for gals who have necks that are a little bit wider or a little bit shorter, this isn't going to take up nearly as much of that space. And there's this combination, perfectly linked. And can you see how it's just begging for its little shoulder shapers? So I'll add those to the combination off camera.